And man, my butt cheeks are getting sore. Can't wait to get off of his thing and take a walk to loosen up a bit. Low battery on my phone, come on. You were fooled when I started out. iPhone 13, you're supposed to be lasting forever. I don't have any way to charge you either. But for the trip back home, I got a charging cord up in the glove box up front so I can run it on there. In the meantime, when I'm sitting down here at Woods Cycle Country waiting for this repair, I've got my iPad with me. 3 miles left. .3 miles. My phone must be processing some other bullshit for it to lose battery power so quickly today. 1.5 miles. Next exit is 190. That's what we're after. Uh-oh, that 18-wheeler has buffeted me around a little bit. Okay, 1 mile, we're going to use the exit. Exit 190, half a mile. We're there. I have to move over to the right. There's Woods Cycle Country up there. Look at this idiot taking a wrong turn. I'm going to take it around to the service area. There we are, Woods Cycle Country. So I arrived at 11:30 almost. I can't get off of it. My legs are sore.